If you're over 50 years old and you're wondering, is it too late to start a YouTube channel? Well, let me answer that right now. Absolutely not. I started my Faces Travel channel over by True Travel Treasures at 63 years old. That's last year. And now it has grown to over 48,000 subscribers and it's still growing. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise, but you are in the perfect season of your life to launch a YouTube channel with power, purpose, and personality. This video is going to walk you step by step through a 30-day plan so you can get started on your YouTube channel. Get it up and running. Okay? And trust me, this is not just theory. This is real, it's doable, and it's tailored just for you. So grab a pen and a notebook because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do every single day for the next 30 days to go from dream to launch. You just want to think about it. Be action. I want to give you something to get you started with taking action. So let's get started. From day 1 to 3, where you are going to discover your why and define your purpose, that's where we're going to start. So you're going to start by getting crystal clear on why you want to start this channel. Is it to inspire others? Is it to share your wisdom? Is it to create a legacy, like I'm doing for my kids? Is it to start a side hustle? When you're over 50, you've got a lifetime of stories, experiences, and skills to share with the world. Your why will become your anchor when you feel overwhelmed or burnt out. So write down your why and place it somewhere on your wall, your refrigerator, so that you can see it every day to help you keep motivated. Then you're going to define your purpose. Ask yourself, who am I trying to help here? What kind of content can I talk about without getting bored? Because this is a long game. Remember that. It's not a sprint. What kind of value do I want to bring to the world? Because everybody's going to see it. Well, not everybody, but the world. You're going to be out there. So don't overthink it though. Start simple and build from there. Don't question yourself. You can do this. Now pause. This is where I want to tell you about something that will save you days of confusion and waste of time. I wish I had this when I started. I created the YouTube Creator Starter Kit specifically for beginners over 50. It includes planning templates, script outlines, content calendars, and even tools to help with editing. No fluff, just what works and what works for me. And I'm not done yet. I also created a thumbnail success bundle, digital bundle, just for you. In it, you will find 50 scroll-stopping thumbnail prompts, a thumbnail planning and tracking worksheet. It helps you to plan and document your progress as you go along. 3 exclusive video guides, one sharing the screen and walking you through how vidIQ features work. And the others are to help you in the process. It comes out with also a PDF document covering how to get started with Pixels and vidIQ thumbnail creation tools. Those are 2 thumbnail creation tools. It also has a printable thumbnail creation checklist and a thumbnail cheat sheet you can keep by your desk when you're working. The links are in the description, so go grab it. Go grab both of them, okay? Now, the Thumbnail Success Bundle gives you everything that you need to finally master the art of clickable thumbnails, even if you're not a designer. So don't be scared. Help is here. It's time to stop guessing though and start designing like a pro without wasting hours or hiring a thumbnail designer and wasting money. You can do this all by yourself with the tools that I shared with you. Everything you need to go smart, not stressed. That's what you need. So make sure you go through everything so you can start making winning thumbnails for your channel. And I'm talking about when you grab the success bundle. It has a lot of stuff in there. Okay, so from days 4 to 6, you're going to choose your niche and your audience. Here's where you narrow things down. You might love gardening, for example. You might love things about health, storytelling, or cooking. Now, pick one of them to focus on. You might love all of them, but just pick one. The clearer your niche, the easier it is for the algorithm and your audience to find you. Your niche should answer 2 questions. And what are they? What am I passionate about? Who am I speaking to? For example, budget travel tips for women over 50 would be a topic I will choose. Or how to stay healthy naturally after retirement. Those are 2 good topics that people will be searching for. Days 7 to 10, set up your channel now. You're going to build your digital house on YouTube. You don't need a graphic designer. You just need free tools like Canva. Just go type in banner and logo and you'll just go through the process. Here's your checklist though. Here's a checklist to get started. Upload a clear profile photo of yourself, your face. Or if you already have a logo, create a banner with your name, niche, and upload schedule. Add a killer about section. You're going to tell them about yourself, who you help, how you help them, and why. Create a short trailer video, like a 1-minute video, introducing who you are. And you're going to put it on your homepage. Keep it clean, simple, and welcoming, and short. Days 11 to 15, plan your first 3 videos, not 1, 3. And we'll tell you why. Content is queen, and king. Plan those 3 video ideas that give value. For example, 3 things women over 50 should know before traveling alone. That's a good topic. Another one is how I created a faceless YouTube channel after 50. So you're targeting people over 50. What I wish I knew before starting YouTube in my 50s. You see where I'm going? Write short scripts, create catchy titles, and decide how you'll film them. Whether you're going to use your phone, your webcam, or a voiceover. All right? Day 16 to 20, record and edit. Let's film or record this video. Start with what you have. You don't need a $700 camera, and your phone works just fine. Use natural light if you can. Sit near a window, for example. Speak clearly. Smile. Be you. Don't be anybody else. Authentic. For editing, use beginner-friendly apps like CapCut, Canva, iMovie, YouTube Studio Editor. Yes. Remember now, your first video will not be perfect. You're going to stumble. You're going to, and that's okay. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Yes. Days 21 to 24. Upload, optimize, and press publish. Once your video is ready, upload it. Here's what to include. Eye-catching thumbnail, right? I can't say that enough. That's where my thumbnail creation success bundle comes in. Key-rich title, engaging description, include your why and what the video is about. Make sure you tell them what the video is about. 3 to 5 tags related to your video topic. You can get that at Rapid Tag. That's a website that you can get free tags. And don't forget to respond to comments. The YouTube community loves connection. Day number 25 to 27. Study your analytics. Check your YouTube Studio dashboard. See where people are dropping off on your video. Which video is performing better? What titles are getting more clicks? So you're going to study your analytics to see the changes that you need to make. This helps you adjust and improve. Growth is about feedback, not failure. Days 28 to 30. Create a simple system and celebrate. Now it's time to build consistency. Yeah, this is where you keep going. Create a basic workflow, 1 filming or recordings on a specific day or days, 1 editing day, 1 upload day. Keep it manageable so you don't get burned out. You're not a machine, you're a creator. And you have to be passionate about what you're doing. You have to love it. And then celebrate. You just launched a channel in 30 days. You can do it faster if you want. It's up to you. Most people just talk about it for years and never do it. But you did it. Before you go though, don't leave without grabbing your freebies. I have a free video planning guide that will help you, because that's what I'm here for. It will help you to stay on track. Then I have a viral video cheat sheet, which is also free, so that you know exactly how to craft scroll stopping titles and thumbnails. Everything is linked in the description, as I mentioned. And you know how important thumbnails are to your videos and to getting views? It is so important. Be sure to watch a video that I created just for that. Don't let bad thumbnails ruin your YouTube goals. Do this ASAP, and I think it's probably somewhere on the screen or from the link in the description. And let me remind you again, go grab the YouTube Creator Starter Kit and the thumbnail creation module from the link in the description. You will thank me later for it. Please. And I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I don't want you to miss out. And drop a comment if you're ready to unleash your YouTube potential. I know you got this, and I've got you. And remember, I was mentioning that I would tell you why you needed to upload 3 videos. Well, when you're a new channel, YouTube needs to know to push your videos out in the algorithm. One video is not going to do it. And also, when people come to watch one video, you want them to have other videos that they can watch so you can start getting your watch hours. Yes. So always do at least 3. If you can do more, that's fine too. And one more tip. When you upload your video, don't let it go public right away. Make sure that you put it like 2 hours. Like, for example, if you uploaded it at 3 p.m., make sure you schedule it for 5 p.m. That gives YouTube a chance to, understand what this particular video is about. So you make sure you do that. If you want more tips like this, go watch my playlist and you will get a lot of goodies so you can grow your channel and become a powerhouse on YouTube. But I'm here for it. I'm here to help you. So, thank you so much for staying on to the end. I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care now. Alrighty.